Hi, welcome to the walk. Today's circular walk covered about 14 kilometers, commencing from and ending in LukKeng, via WilsonTrail 10, then WuKauTang Country Trail. This route covered partly Pat Sin Leng Country Park and partly Plover Cove Country Park. Kau Tang Fire Lookout was the highest point reached. Great spot for the view of Pat Sin Leng and the mountains in Plover Cove Country Park, and as far as Ma On Shan if weather permits. We spent a bit of time checking out Kuk Po Lo Wai and the restoration work before taking the coastal walk back to Luk Keng. An open view of Starling Inlet and Shuttlecock is just a few minutes from the minibus terminus. We gathered at our favorite cafe before going through Luk Keng village. That's where we are heading. He is leading to WilsonTrail 10. In about 20 minutes, we will reach the junction to Sir Edward Yu Memorial Pavilion. We will not make that turn. We will carry on towards Bryce Pool. Unlike the sunny day last week, when we walked from WuKauTang to LukKeng, it's a bit wet today. It rained in the beginning and drizzled halfway. Nevertheless, the walk was just enjoyable. Tsat Muk Kiu. In about 15 minutes, we will get to a junction leading to Wang Nang, known as the highest point in northeastern New Territories. We didn't plan to get up there this time, so we will carry on heading towards Bryce Pool. Take the left path here towards Wu Kau Tang Road. Spectacular views of PatSinLeng mountain range from a distance on this trail. Looks like we came to the edge of Sin Leng Country Park. A good point to regroup. A bit along Bryce Pool Road, we will see the entry point of WuKauTang Country Trail on the right. Here we are. In about 20 minutes, we will reach Tang Fire Lookout, the highest point of our walk today. Mostly steps up 200 meters on this path.
Pat Sin Leng.
Spectacular view of Pat Sin Leng, various mountains in Plover Cove Country Park. Unfortunately, cannot see as far as Ma On Shan today. Looks like it's a good refuel stop. After a short rest, we carry on descending to Kuk Po Lo Wai. Kuk Po is a Hakka village with nearly 400 years of history, offering a scenic view of Shuttlecock and Shenzhen's Yantian district across the border. Kuk Po is rich in natural ecological resources, featuring a unique backcrash wetland. Kuk Po features the Lo Wai, a traditional Hakka war village, the elongated Samway, and Grade 3 historic buildings such as Choi School, Yang Ancestral Hall, and Li Ancestral Hall in Lo Wai. Lo Wai is now mostly abandoned and is off the beaten track. The micro-renewal project aims to improve the environment of Lo Wai by transforming the abandoned century-old village house into an open space and neighborhood garden that displays the courtyard house layout, construction materials, and craftsmanship of the traditional Hakka village house. Choi School is now serving as a cultural hub for exhibitions, workshops, and community events. Thanks to the conservation projects led by the Hong Kong U Faculty of Architecture and supported by the Countryside Conservation Office. Unfortunately, it is not open today. Beautiful scenery around here. Something we can enjoy anytime. Time to head back to LukKeng. Enjoy the next 30-minute scenic coastal walk. We covered about 14 kilometers in about 4.5 hours, with highest altitude reached 294 meters and the aggregated elevation gain of 563 meters. Can't wait to grab a drink at our favorite cafe. Hope you enjoyed the walk. Have a great day ahead.